Hi Excelers, welcome to another How to Excel at Excel.com video. Today we're going to look at using the trim function to clean up some data that we have. So you've probably come across a scenario like this where you have created a pivot table on a data source and it looks like you've got two instances of, well, you know it's the same name, Stephen Hare. Yeah, it looks like there's possibly an extra space in between one that shouldn't be there. Sometimes you get that, it's a typo error, or it could be data from two different data sources. But what we can do is we can use the trim function to really easily get rid of that. So if we just type equals and trim, as always, Excel will tell us exactly what the function will do. It removes all spaces from a text string except for single spaces between your words. So that sounds exactly like what we want to do. So let's clean up this data set. So first of all, let's insert a column. We'll use a helper column for this. And we hit equal and then trim, open parentheses, and select our first piece of text we want to trim, close parentheses, hit OK. And then if we double click down, you can see that Excel it looks like it has removed any extra spaces in between the first name and surname of our data source. It's really easy to see in a small data set. Imagine if you have hundreds or even tens of thousands of data entries, it wouldn't be so easy to do. So what we now do is just hit Control C and paste special. Then let's delete our helper column. And lastly, let's hit refresh on our data. So you can hit right click within your pivot, or you can go to analyze and hit refresh. There we go. We've only got one entry for Stephen Hare now. It's removed that extra space from between our first name and surname. So that's it. How to use trim to cleanse your data set really quickly. It will remove all spaces from your text except for single spaces between your words. I hope you enjoyed that tip. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you again for another How to Excel at Excel.com video.